Are you paying too much for car insurance? What if I told you that a few simple tricks could save you hundreds of dollars every year? Stick around to learn these insider tips and strategies that most people are completely unaware of. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to not only save money but also get the coverage you actually need. The first thing most people do when shopping for car insurance is just go with the first option that pops up. But here's a secret: shopping around is your best friend. Insurance companies offer different rates for the same coverage, and even small adjustments can lead to massive savings. You don't want to settle for the first quote you get. Get at least 3 quotes, and don't just look at price, look at what's covered. Now, here's something that can save you even more: raising your deductible. That's the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. A higher deductible means lower monthly premiums. But, and this is key, make sure that deductible is something you can actually afford to pay if you ever need to file a claim. It's all about finding that sweet spot between saving on premiums and not risking financial disaster in case of an accident. Here's another tip that many people overlook: your credit score affects your car insurance rates. That's right. Insurance companies use your credit history to determine how risky you are as a driver. The better your credit, the lower your premium can be. It may seem unfair, but that's how the system works. So, take some time to improve your credit score, even if it's just by paying off small debts. It can make a noticeable difference in your rates. Ever considered bundling your insurance? If you already have home insurance, consider bundling it with your car insurance. Insurance companies love it when you put all your policies under one roof, and they reward you with discounts. That's a simple, often overlooked way to save money without sacrificing coverage. Another quick win is to look into discounts that might apply to you. Many insurance companies offer discounts for things like being a good student, driving a certain number of miles per year, or even taking defensive driving courses. And if you have a safe driving record, make sure to mention that. Some insurers will reward you with lower rates just for being a responsible driver. Next, let's talk about your vehicle. The type of car you drive can significantly impact your premiums. If you drive a luxury sports car, you're going to pay more. But there are certain cars that insurers love to cover, and they tend to have lower rates. Cars with high safety ratings, lower repair costs, and good fuel efficiency can all help bring your premiums down. So, before you buy your next car, make sure to check how much it will cost to insure. Speaking of safety, let's dive into safety features. If your car has modern safety features, things like anti-lock brakes, airbags, or a backup camera, you could see lower rates. Some insurers even offer discounts for advanced safety technology like collision warning systems. It's an easy way to get a little extra discount without doing much else. One tip that can make a huge difference, but often gets ignored, is reviewing your policy every year. Your life changes, your driving habits change, and so should your insurance coverage. Maybe you've paid off your car, or maybe you're driving less. These changes could mean you're paying for coverage you no longer need. Check in with your insurer every year and ask about adjustments that could reduce your rates. Many people don't realize that the type of car insurance you choose could be costing you more than it needs to. For instance, collision and comprehensive coverage might sound essential, but if your car is old or has little resale value, it could be smarter to drop them. You may not be getting enough return on investment if your car isn't worth much. If your car is low in value, it's worth doing the math to see if you're better off lowering your coverage. Now, for the ultimate secret: your driving habits can dramatically impact your rates. Insurance companies are starting to use telematics, or pay-as-you-drive, programs, to track your driving. If you're a safe driver, this can lead to massive savings. Apps and devices can monitor how often you drive, your speed, and how smoothly you handle your car. This data could lead to lower premiums for drivers who prove they're responsible on the road. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one final crucial tip: always read the fine print. Most of us skim through policy details, but understanding your coverage is essential. What's included? What's excluded? How much will your insurance cover in case of an accident? If you don't know the answer to those questions, you could be leaving yourself vulnerable. Always know what you're paying for. So, if you want to save money and get the best deal on car insurance, follow these tips, and don't be afraid to ask your insurer questions. Whether it's bundling your policies, raising your deductible, or simply improving your credit score, these small changes can make a big impact on your premiums. Now, it's time to take action. What tips are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips to save you money and keep you informed on the best deals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.